Hi, it's Joy. We will start with the eyes. Make the top part like an unfinished heart, and the curve of the nose, and inside add another half-heart shape. Draw the left eye and the right eye. Goofy's eyes and outlines are black, so let's color them carefully. Now sketch Goofy's muzzle. Add two big unfinished ovals and two small ones. Finish the muzzle, add the nose and color it black. Stay inside the lines and make the color nice and solid. Now draw the teeth, the left side and the right side, then connect them with two curved lines. Now we have the mouse. Color the inside of the mouse black. At the top, it looks like a little half heart. For the ears, start with two small rectangles near the eyes. Draw long, thin ears, one on the left and one on the right. Color the ears black too. Now let's draw the heart. Goofy's heart looks like a bone. Draw the bottom part first, then the top part. Now it's time to color. The heart is light green. The muzzle is beige. And the tongue is pink. Enjoy your drawing and tell me, did you like your Goofy?